Today we are going to be making cilantro lime chicken taco salad in our Instant Pot. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to be making another Instant Pot recipe. This recipe is on page 14 of the Instant Pot recipe booklet. The recipe is called Cilantro Lime Chicken Taco Salad. And when you purchase an Instant Pot, you receive this little recipe booklet. So if you're interested, I'll put a link in the description of this video and you can go check that link out if you're interested in purchasing your own Instant Pot. So we're gonna do this recipe in a couple stages. The first stage, we gotta make the dressing. And so let me show you all the ingredients that I have before me to make the dressing. So to make our dressing, we're gonna be using cilantro, juice from limes, garlic, salt and pepper, as well as garlic powder, onion powder, some red pepper flakes. This is salsa verde, which is green salsa, buttermilk, and also some mayonnaise. We're gonna start by combining our ingredients in the blender. All right, so a half a cup of mayonnaise, a half a cup of buttermilk, a third cup of salsa verde, a third cup of cilantro. We need 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and now we're gonna do our garlic. It says 2 cloves. Now we're adding a half a teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder. Add that in there. And this is garlic powder, half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of salt. And a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Last ingredient is our pepper flakes and a 1/4 teaspoon of them. The recipe says to pulse until well combined, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, the dressing looks and smells super good. I love the cilantro and the lime in it. And so now we're going to put it in a jar. I have a mason jar laying around, and so I think it'll look really pretty in here. Yeah, take a look at this. This is gonna be great. I'm gonna put the lid on and let it refrigerate. Put that in the refrigerator, and we're gonna move on to step 2. Don't forget to stay tuned to the end of the video and we'll get the family to try it and get their impressions on this recipe. Okay, step 2 in our recipe today, and we're going to be using our Instant Pot. And so let me show you all the ingredients for this step. For this step, we need 4 chicken breasts, diced tomatoes with green chilies, black beans, fresh cilantro, salt and pepper, cumin, a half a cup of onions, and I'm just using red onions, but you could use yellow if you want, and olive oil. We want to select saute on our Instant Pot. Now that it's hot, we're going to add our olive oil and saute our onions. We're going to saute this for 3 minutes. Now let's add our chicken that I've diced up into bite-sized pieces. Stir this, and we're gonna cook it for another 2 minutes. Now we'll add our tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and about half a teaspoon of black pepper. Let's mix this together really well. We're gonna put our lid on our Instant Pot. Lock it in place. We're gonna cancel the saute and then pressure cook. And we're gonna set it for 2 minutes. Now that those 2 minutes are finished, we're gonna do a quick release of the pressure. And in order to do that, we're gonna push cancel, and then I'm gonna turn the handle up here to venting. So cancel. This is the quick release, so we'll turn it to venting. Now that the pressure has released, we can go ahead and open the lid. We're gonna select saute again. We're gonna keep cooking this and stirring until the liquid is cooked off. Hopefully you can see that the liquid has really cooked off really well. So it's getting pretty dry, and we're just about to do our final step. I've drained and I rinsed our black beans, so we're gonna add those. And finally, our cilantro. Wow, that's great. We're gonna turn our Instant Pot off, push cancel. And now it's time to make up our salads and see how the family likes it.
All right, having a salad here. Put some lettuce on there. Okay, Setha, can you pass me the meat? Or Sarah?
You might want to stir it.
Okay, we'll stir it up. Great. Looks like we got beans and chicken and stuff in there.
Yeah, salsa verde.
Okay, there you go.
And then there's your other toppings.
Great.
Got tomatoes.
Put some tomatoes on here. Okay.
And cheese, cilantro. It has cilantro in it, but I think that you would like even more cilantro.
All right, we'll do that then.
All right, so shake it just a little bit in case it's settled.
It looks really good, Mom.
Really? Is this homemade too?
Yeah.
Wow.
I think so.
Smells good. All right. Ready?
I'm
Give it a
excited.
try. Need to get some meat in there probably. Okay, let's go try. That tastes like it could be served at a Mexican restaurant.
While it was cooking, it smelled so good.
Yeah.
That's good, Jules.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Awesome. Who else is ready?
Good.
Good?
So good.
Awesome.
It's really good.
Awesome. All right, Steph, are you ready? You're a little dark because the window's right behind you. You don't want cheese on yours? Okay.
Try it. That was really good.
Awesome. Cool. All right, you guys, it looks like the family liked this recipe. This was a good one. Nice and tasty, huh?
Yeah, really good.
Thanks, you guys, for watching. Please share this with your friends. Hope you guys have a great day.
Keep
smiling.
smiling.